Welcome to From the Bottle. I'm Chef Jen. We're making lemon thyme buttermilk popsicles today. You might think thyme in a popsicle recipe sounds a little crazy, but that little bit of herb actually gives a different depth of flavor and balances out that sourness from the lemon juice and the buttermilk. And you can never have enough lemon oil, right? Check it out.
Who can relate to this, right? I looked everywhere for that last mold and couldn't find it for the life of me. Oh well, I'm sure there's a ice cube tray and some popsicle sticks around here somewhere.
Intolerant, you actually may be able to enjoy this dessert. The process of adding bacteria to the milk when creating buttermilk actually starts to break down the lactose, and it acts as a probiotic as well. So this is actually good for your gut. With essential oils, we know that less is more. So even that tiny bit of thyme is working with your system. And lemon is the great detoxifier. So if you need a good excuse to have dessert, just tell them it's from the bottle.